Right into this world, all alone.
Cortisone helping?
I'm fine without it.
I know.
Is he still suffering from his prison fight with... Who was it even? That Mayan leader. No, not the Mayan leader. Darby. Ah, that little cock blocker.
My boy. The master of timing.
Just shut the door and turn up the music.
What?
I'm your old lady.
Please, don't be silly. You're no lady. Never have been, even though you try to pretend otherwise.
This fat boy ain't even reached his prime.
Barely looks like it can reach the end of the lot.
Best bike for a long ride. And not put it up against any of you pretty diners.
Oh look, Piney's back. Haven't seen him in a while.
Getting a nudicle.
Getting a what?
You're getting a musical.
Musical?
A fake ball, a nudicle. It's an implant. Give me a sense of symmetry. Balance.
Are you for real?
What? Yeah, I'm just waiting for the VA insurance to clear.
You're getting a glass ball.
Can't you just tie a golf ball to your sack? I mean, I bet that's cheaper and will balance you out just as fine.
I know she's spinning.
She's fine.
You just worry about the cars.
Got my full attention.
He hasn't forgotten yet, Clay. You better believe that. Oh wait, he doesn't even know he knows. Perfect chance for a drive-by, guys. Ah, another opportunity missed.
Just a biker with a bedroll.
6 riders, 5 dozen. That's a good haul.
Runs are set up for the next 3 months. One every 2 weeks.
We try to cover as many runs as we can with charity rides.
Cops never mess with us when we're serving humanity.
Oh, this whole charity thing is just a cover? You bastards. I had such high hopes for you. The mind games have begun, huh? This is...
You looking for Shermans? They closed last month. Hope it wasn't a return.
You prick. Oh, snap! Now she knows. And if this guy greets the other one, she knows that too. Yeah, you idiots. And they think they're so smart.
Excuse me, are you leaving?
Oh, you better shut up. She's in a mood right now.
Are you leaving or what?
Obviously not.
Oh, shit!
Well, if someone deserved it, it's take. So no problem there.
Got a disturbing call from a woman who says you pulled a gun on her.
Yeah.
That's it? Just, yeah?
Well, she didn't pull the trigger, so...
I'm sorry about the gun.
Come on, let me take you home.
It's something I gotta do. I'll be okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Like
Wanna give me
Kill
the
Weston? I'm all for that.
Sure.
I'll return it later.
She probably has a spare.
What the hell are you talking about? You can't take him.
Mr. Traeger has basic coverage. He can only be admitted to a hospital in his plan.
He's bleeding in your hallway.
I'm sorry, we'll have to transfer him to Red Bluff. He's stable enough to travel.
God bless the American health system.
I'm talking about what you do with the rubber masks.
I'm afraid you have me at a loss.
Things work themselves around. Your time will come. I like to think the town chooses its occupants. Right ones stay, wrong ones disappear.
I mean, that was a nice speech and all, but I don't think it did anything. Obviously, he's not going to be impressed or intimidated or anything. So...
That is the film I can't do. It's the wall.
He doesn't know where the whoa!
Fuck is this?
Get off me!
Jesus!
Cavalry agent? What does that mean? Is he wanted? Like the other one!
Don't lose him!
So it's up to the prospect. Nothing can go wrong there, huh?
We gotta go after him.
We gotta deliver it, Mick.
Hey, the bondsmen have no jurisdiction. There's nothing to stop us taking them back.
What's stopping us is 6 bedrolls full of illegal handguns.
We go after him now, we got a chance. He crosses state lines.
Tig was here. He'd vote to deliver the gun.
Just let Opie do it. He will terminate these insects.
Maybe we should call a vote.
Vote all you want. I'm delivering the guns.
Wow. This. You just want to leave one of your own behind?
We gotta go get Tig. This thing between you and Jax, I don't know what it is, but it's pulling focus from what we are. I'm with you either way.
If you only knew. If you only knew. You're with him.
You okay?
He just needs to know we've got his back.
This must be so frustrating for Jax.
I got your page.
Chief Unser is looking for you.
Is everything okay?
You tell me. You seem to get a lot of visitors. Both sides of the law.
He should start looking for a new job. That was a major hint.
She's out of sorts. A matter of time before she hurts someone. Herself. Not sure how to help her.
She has to talk to somebody about what happened. I tried.
She has to kill those motherfucking Nazi clowns. Or at least tell someone who's more experienced in killing.
They got taken to a motel about 2 miles down the road.
We wait until dark. Somebody goes out for food.
We don't know they're gonna be here after dark. We got 8 on 4.
Call the guys.
Call a vote.
You don't call a vote.
You lay your goddamn hands on me!
Hey, you two, come on! Everybody's fried. And it's my fault.
No, actually it's Tig's fault and Clay's. But of course you don't know about that.
You want to get this darn jump on the back?
This is bad.
I got a feeling it's about to get worse.
Chip, Sack, come on!
What's up?
Shit kicking!
I'm in. Whoa. Where the hell you going?
Shit!
Losing control, dude. This can't go on like this for much longer. How do you want to get away with this truck? They can easily follow you. What? They're not following them? What kind of bounty hunters are they? Or I guess they don't want to be involved in a firefight? There's the spare. I hope this is not a trap.
Hey, buddy. Good. How's practice? Oh, that's awesome, Cliffy. I told you. You focus, shit happens,
Don't be
right?
moved by his
Yeah.
sappy family
Absolutely.
story.
Should be.
Just do it. Let the kid hear it. He needs to grow up sooner or later.
This isn't on Jax, it was my idea. You just have to blame it on the, dementia.
Oh, shit.
It'll be a long ride, Tigger.
Get another straw.
There you go.
Piney comes prepared. Always. Oh. Ice cold.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. Right.
I mean, this chief, he's so naive that he didn't even think about her having a second gun. He knows she's the queen of a biker gang. You think she would just run around with that little pea shooter?
Guess I gotta get right with you. What you did.
If you mention Donna or the incident again, I'll kill you.
God damn it, Clay. I mean that he's not even asking. Hey Jax, what can I do to make this right? I know I fucked up and nothing will bring back Donna, but what can I do? No, he just demands that he gets along with it. That he just forgets about it. And then he even threatens him. Because that works so well with Jax. Oh.